The Honorable, the examiners, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me say thank you for giving me a chance to present my final report presentation. Well, in this chance, there are 5 topics that I would like to deliver. The first one is background, the second one is literature review, the third one is research and methodology, the fourth one is finding and discussion, and the last one is conclusion and suggestion. Well, without further ado, let us go on the first topic, that is background. Tourism object is one of the industries that play an important role in the economy of Indonesian country. Because of that, the government of Indonesia always try to develop tourism object in Indonesia and introduce them to the world. But there is still a tourism object that not known well by the people. That is Aritang Family Park. Aritang Family Park is a park that located in Aritang Village, Penukal District, Pali Regency, South Sumatra. Aritang Family Park is a unique park because it is located in the rubber tree plantation and has facilities such as blue lake, a horse arena, archery, and many facilities that not known well by the people. Because of that, this park need a promotion to persuade tourists to come to this park. Because of that, I interested to participate in promoting this park for my final report, with the title is writing a booklet to promote Aritang Family Park as a tourism object in Pali Regency. That's all about background. Now, let's go on to the problem formulation. The problem formulation is how to apply step of writing to write a booklet to promote Aritang Family Park as a tourism object in Pali Regency. And the problem limitation of this final report. To prevent this final report from out of topic, I limit this problem of this final report and focuses on writing a booklet to promote tourism object Aritang Family Park in Pali Regency. The purpose of this final report is to apply step of writing to write a booklet of Aritang Family Park as tourism object in Pali Regency. And the benefits of this final report are for the readers to increase the knowledge about writing a booklet and to give information about Aritang Family Park. And for the State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, the benefits of this final report is to support the cooperation between State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya and Aritang Family Park. And then for the Aritang Family Park, the benefits is to popularize Aritang Family Park to the world and increase the selling of Aritang Family Park. That's all about the first point. Now we go on to the next point, literature review. In the literature review, I would like to explain about writing and booklet. According to the 2003, writing is an intellectual activity of finding the ideas and thinking about the way to express and arrange them into a statement and paragraph that is clear to be understood by people. In writing, there are 3 points. The first one is types of writing, aspect of writing, and writing process. There are 4 types of writing. The first one is expository writing, descriptive writing, persuasive writing, and narrative writing. And there are 5 points of aspect of writing. The first one is content. The second one is vocabulary. The third one is organization. The fourth one is language use, and the last one is mechanics. There are 3 points of writing process. The first one is pre-writing. There are 3 stages of pre-writing. The first one is brainstorming. Brainstorming means the way you got a topic with an open mind and to come up with ideas freely. And then the second one is free writing. Free writing means when you get all of the information that you want, you can write everything of the information without thinking about anything. It means you don't have thinking about the vocabulary, you don't have thinking about the grammar and etc. And then the third point is planning. In planning is the way you got you thought about the content. It means that you have to check about the sentence if it is related to the topic that you have arranged before. And then the second point of writing process is drafting. In drafting, after you get all of the information and you have write it freely, you can arrange it with the writing process. Now we get on to the booklet. According to Zolmi 2013, booklet is a small book that usually used to promote product or service. That's all about the literature review. Now we go on to the third point, research methodology. In research methodology, I use research and development by Borg and Gall as modified by Sukmadinata 2005. There are 3 steps of research and development by Sukmadinata 2005. The first one is preliminary study, the second one is model development, and the third one is final product. In preliminary study, there are 3 steps. The first one is literature study, the second one is field survey, and the third one is model draft. In literature study, I analyze some theories and concepts that related to the product that will be developed in this final report. And I read some books, journal, and articles about writing and booklets. I also read the information about Airitam Family Park in the official account of Facebook of Airitam Family Park. And then, the second one is field survey. In field survey, I use observation method to collect the data of Airitam Family Park. The data that I need is, first is the profile of Airitam Family Park. The second one is the history about Airitam Family Park and the kinds of attraction that provide in Airitam Family Park, and then the range of price and the atmosphere in Airitam Family Park. The last one is model draft. After all of the data has been collected, I started the process of writing a booklet by creating the booklet draft. The model draft has 10 pages with in English language, using persuasive writing and using art paper that is size A5. And that's all about the preliminary study. Now we go on to the model development. In model development, there are 2 stages. The first one is limited testing and the second one is wider testing. In limited testing, I give my first product to Mr. Henry to give the comment about the content, and then I give my draft to Mr. Ahmad Wahidi to check about the Indonesian draft first, and then after that we go on to the wider testing. In wider testing, I give my draft to Mrs. Yuli Rahma as English teacher from Senior High School number 2 Sungai Keru to check about the language, the grammar, and etc. And after that, I give my draft to Mr. Benny as a lecturer of State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya to check about the language and the grammar and etc. That's all about the model draft. Now we go on to the final product. In final product, I didn't do the product testing and dissemination because of the lack of cost, time, and legality aspect. Furthermore, Sukmadinata 2005 also states that in writing a booklet, in writing a final report for graduated student, the research and development can be stopped until the final product without product testing. So I didn't do the product testing and dissemination, and I stopped my research and development until final product. That's all about the research and methodology. Now we go on to the finding and discussion. In finding and discussion, there are 3 stages. The first one is pre-writing, the second one is drafting, and the last one is revising. In pre-writing, there are 3 stages. The first one is brainstorming. In brainstorming, I decided the topic or the concept of the booklet based on the experience that I have to do when I go to the Airitam Family Park. The second point of pre-writing is free writing. After choose Airitam Family Park as a topic of this final report, I searched some information about Airitam Family Park, and I did observation directly to Airitam Family Park. And before I did observation, I prepared some I prepare observation log, and the information that I get from Aritang Family Park is the profile, the owner, the historical, the atmosphere, and etc. Now we go on to the planning. In planning stage, I thought out about the content of the writing, and then I check about the sentence if it is related to the topic, and then I check about the sentence if it is arranged logically. And then we go to the drafting. In drafting, I did limited testing and wider testing. In limited testing, I give my draft to to two experts. The first one is Mr. Henry, as the owner of Aritang Family Park, to check about the content. And he said that the content is good enough and the information is enough, so there is no revision needed. And then I give my Indonesian draft to Mr. Ahmad Wahidi as an Indonesian lecturer from PGRI University, and he said that the language is good enough, and then the language is easy to understand. And then we go to the wider testing. In wider testing, I give my English draft that after translated before from the Indonesian language. I give my English draft to Mr. Yuli Rahma as a teacher, English teacher as a senior high school number 2 Sungai Keruh, and he give me many revision about the grammar. And then after that I revise my draft, and after that I give my draft to Mr. Benny as a lecturer from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, and he said that the grammar and also the language is good enough, but there is one word that he suggests me to change the word. And then now we go on to the revising. After get some suggestions, some comments, and some revising from the experts, I look again at the word, at the writing, and then I revise my writing. And after finishing my writing draft, I combine writing with the booklet that has been made before, and then I match the writing and the picture of the booklet that has been made before. And this is the final product of my final report. That's all about my finding and discussion. Now we get to the conclusion and suggestion. The first point is conclusion. From the explanation from the previous chapter, I conclude that this booklet can be used to promote Aritang Family Park as a tourism object in Pali Regency, and it can be guidance for the tourists and visitors to find some information about Aritang Family Park. The next is suggestion. I suggest the next researcher to make another booklet about tourism object in South Sumatra in order to increase the income of South Sumatra. I think that's all about my final report presentation. Thanks for your great attention. Thank you.